Look at this, guys. I have farming stats for it. This is working perfectly, okay? I will now... What's up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how I got Blox Fruits script for Roblox absolutely free, safe and online, guys. So let's get started. Go to the Google or any browser you have and navigate to this website, then type in search Blox Fruits script and you will find the online tool. Click there, guys, and now we must enter our username. So let me paste here. I already copied. Let me click connect to the server and let's wait for this searching. Okay, user found. Nice. Just click connect. Do you have any executor? No. Import newest delta. Yes. Select script that you want to add to your account. Click continue, guys, and let's see the next step. This is working perfectly on both Android and iOS devices, guys. So let's see the next step. Just scroll down and click verify to complete, and let's wait a little bit. And now, guys, we're on the anti-bot verification step, the last one, the most important step. So what we need to do here, guys, we need to download free games or apps or complete 2 simple questionnaire. It's your choice. Just click here, click proceed, and it will start downloading from the official publisher where the app are downloaded. Complete the task. Below each task you have a description of what you have to do. So, guys, I will download this Just Play Under Money and Pure VPN. So I'll be back after I complete these 2 tasks.
A few minutes later.
Okay, guys, I have just completed this task and this task, and I got this status complete, success, redirecting almost done. So let's wait for this redirecting and let's see the final step. Injection successful, guys. That's it. So let me open my Roblox and let's test Blox Fruits. Okay, so let me click play and let's see, guys. Look at this, guys. I'm now in the game and thank you for using Delta. We have this message. Okay, just click here on home button, click execute, and let's wait a little bit for this. Okay, just a second. Look at this, guys. I have farming stats for it. This is working perfectly. Okay, I will now select and let's now play. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this for you guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next. Bye.